All right, let's show you what the 450 class is all about here in hill climb. You are not allowed to run chains or any metal on your rear tire, but you do have rear tire options. Look, some guys decide to run the paddle to get up the hill. Some guys go with the more conventional motocross, enduro type tire. As you can see, a big old chain guard to keep it on. No limitations as far as wheelbase goes. This one's about 72 inches, 12 over stock. That really helps the front wheel stay on the ground, much like a drag bike. Here's the big equalizer in the 450 class. They must run gasoline, race gas or pump gas. You are not allowed to put nitrous or nitromethane in these machines. In the Pro Open classes, you are. Because of that, it takes a whole lot of finesse. You are allowed to do motor modifications. This one is actually a KTM flat track motor, makes 71 horsepower to the rear wheel. That's much more than stock. It's hopped up. That helps these riders get up the hill. And of course, you can see the controls. You need to work the brake, you need to work the clutch. This is known as the finesse class, as opposed to some of the all-out, no limitation categories. Let's give you a look at what they climb. Here is the massive hill that they try to get up in the different categories. Now, when you step outside of the 450 category, you get into things like this. Total custom builds, any type of power plant. There's a class where you have to be under 700 cc's. Other than that, anything goes, any fuel, you can put nitro in it. It's truly a wild setup here. This team, Malcolm Smith Motorsports, under the leadership of Kerry, who's a 5-time champion in this team, has all the different bikes. Kerry, I was just talking about you, man. What, 5-time champion. We're showing your bikes. What's it take to really get up that hill? I mean, what type of skill set are we talking about here?
Well, you know, a lot of it is reaction time. It's having clutch, real good clutch work. Clutch. You live by the clutch with professional motorcycle hill climbing. It's knowing when to pull it in, when to let it out. The front end's coming up. All kinds of factors involved. But when it all comes down to it, it's all about momentum. You got to have momentum going up a hill. You can't be scratching. You got to be moving fast and we won a lot of championships and with a lot of good riders. Won 3 out of the 4 championships last year. Missed the 4th one by 1 point. 6 world championships total with our team. 4 Great Americas. Won every major title in the sport at least once. So in about 45 years of hill climbing. So
that's awesome.
We got it down.
What's your favorite class? Do you like the 450 stock class, or do you like it more unlimited, all these crazy motors?
Open class.
Open.
300 horsepower nitromethane, breathing 1190 KTMs. Nothing like it.
Oh man, thanks a lot. I'm gonna go take a look at that 1190. There it is, the one he's talking about. This one just coming back in from the pit area. Here is the Nitro KTM 1190 he was talking about moments ago. Look at this. Truly wild, guys. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. If you love motorcycles, if you love nitromethane, this is your channel. So I gotta ask you, what's it like to ride this wild beast?
It's pretty intense, really fun. Hopefully I don't have as frustrating as runs on it as I have on that last bike, so just kind of disappointed myself today on that one.
Well, you're doing great, good luck to you, man.
Thank you.
Look at all this. That's where the nitro goes?
This one's actually on 100% methanol. My teammate Sammy's bike is on 50% nitromethane. I'd have to swap injectors and change the timing to run mine on nitro, but I leave it on methanol so I can ride 2 different series because they don't allow nitromethane in the other series.
Got you. Very cool. Thank you, guys. This one actually on methanol. Pretty wild. powerful fuel. Here's the nitro burner. It's really wild. I gotta know, guys, would you ever try this crazy sport?